So in this video we'll see how we can deploy or host our project on Netlify for free. This will probably be the last video of our series, so if you have come this far, thanks to you. I really appreciate your supports. I hope you'll subscribe and stay with me, and let's continue with the video. So I'm going to stop the server, so Ctrl C, and then we're going to go to GitHub. So we're going to say GitHub like so, and then we have to create a new repository, so click on new. You can name it whatever you want, so let's call it Vue-Kanban like so, and click on create repository. So here we're going to say git add dot, so add all our files. We're going to commit them, so we're going to say git commit -m, and you can say whatever you want here. So I'm going to say project finished, like so, and then we have to copy these 3 lines. So copy this, Ctrl C, and paste them and hit enter. And if we refresh now, as you can see, our files have now been uploaded to GitHub. Now before we deploy our project to Netlify, we need to do some changes to our project. So let's see what is that. So if you go to this page, I'll leave the link in the description, and scroll down to the Netlify section. So here is the Netlify section. As you can see, we have to create a file called netlify.toml. So let's create this file. So let's go to our project and click on new file. And we're going to create a file called netlify.toml. Enter. And inside this file, we simply have to copy this line of code. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, save. Now we are ready to deploy our project to Netlify. So now we can go to Netlify. So we're going to say netlify.com and click on get started. We're going to sign up with GitHub. So I already have some projects created, but you might not have any. So click on new site from Git and then GitHub. And now search for the repository. So it is called Vue-Kanban. So this is the one. We can click on it. And then we can simply click on deploy. And this will start deploying our site. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so our site has now been deployed, and as you can see, this also gave us a URL through which we can access our site. So let's click on this. So it is working just as it was working in our development server. So let's try to add a board. Submit, and if we refresh, as you can see, our data is still here. So they are being saved in local storage, and of course we can resort our items, and the positions will, or the index will also be saved in local storage. So if we refresh, they won't go away. So yeah, that's all. I hope you really enjoyed this series, and I'll see you in the next videos.